So good morning everyone. I am Junadel De Gracia and I'm going to report about the pass or fail and letter grade. So pass or fail grading, this system reduces pressure on learners by removing the competition for high grades. It helps students focus on understanding rather than memorization and provides a clear idea of strength and weaknesses. However, it lacks detailed performance, feedback, and cannot be converted into exact scores. Letter grade system. This system uses grades A to E, where A is equal to excellent, B is equal to good, C is equal to satisfactory, D is equal to poor, E is equal to unacceptable. It is widely used for quizzes, essay, and projects, while simple and familiar letter grades can be unclear because the cutoffs between grades are often arbitrary. For instance, score of 76 and 85 may both receive a a C is equal to satisfactory, despite significant differences in performance, while letter grades provide an easy ways to classify performance. They may not always reflect the true level of achievement accurately. Plus and minus letter grade. The plus and minus letter grading system provides more detailed way to describe students' performance by dividing each letter grade A, B, C, etc. into three levels. Examples: A plus, A minus. This allows finer distinctions between levels of achievements, improves grading accuracy, and can motivate students to aim higher. However, it may also be viewed as unfair or stressful and more difficult for teachers to manage. Example: A plus is equal to excellent, A is equal to superior, A minus is equal to very good, B plus is equal to very satisfactory, B is equal to high average, B minus is equal to average, C plus is equal to fair, C is equal to pass, D is equal to conditional, and E or F is equal to failed. The categorical grading system uses descriptive levels. Example: exceeding standard, meeting standards, emerging standards, to clearly explain performance levels without relying on numerical. Or letter grades, it focuses on describing learning progress and mastery rather than ranking students.